Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is October 2021, 33 variant, question number 5. How we can do this student question? We have a, look and see carefully, this is sine theta single. Most important thing is the angle. This is a single theta, but here not single, this is double theta. 100% sure we will go for double angle formulas. And this is so cos, and cos has a 3 double angle formulas, which I write all. So cos, first double angle formula is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Second formula, if you replace this by 1 minus cos square, turn to be 2 cos square theta minus 1. And if you replace cos square by 1 minus sine square, it turned to be this formula. So we have a 3 formulas for cos double theta. So now questions come very important, which we will use in the place of it. It depends upon your left hand side. Left hand side sine theta, because sine involve only this. So I will use this value here. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Sorry, I have to write it off little gap here. Okay. First I'm writing sine theta. So sine theta is equal to this value coming from here, but there is a 3 outside. Hold on. 3 bracket start bracket ends plus 2. So this I copied the value here. And now students, I can continue. So sine theta is equals to 3 multiplied inside, and I think this is nothing hard up to here. Okay, now bring all values left side. This comes this side. I got a 6 sine square theta. Then I'm copying plus sine theta, and this 3 plus 2 5, and when it goes there become minus 5. So we have done it. Now we have 2 choices, student. One choice is that if you let sine theta equal to k, okay, k, so this is k and k square, or we can do directly even. You know how, or directly? I tell you both directly isn't. You know, best technique. Maybe hold on, 6 plus. Okay, I think let's go for that way. That is better, because otherwise you will confuse how I'm doing k. So if this is a k, student, so I'm writing here plus k minus 5 equal to 0, and this become k square, 6k to power 2. So 6 5 is 30, and I get a 30, and 30, you know, 6 5 is 36k, and minus 5k, and minus 5 equals to 0. And I 6k common from here, I get a k plus 1, and here minus 5 common, I get a k plus 1. I got k plus 1 into 6k minus 5 equal to 0. I'm getting 2 answers. One plug in equal to 0. I get k is equals to minus 1, and I will do it full here. Second, 5 will go there, 6 divides, so k becoming 5 over 6. Both values I will plug in here. So sine theta is equals to -1. When I plug in it here, it give me sine theta is equals to 5 over 6. Now, very important thing is going to come. You know, normally we take in the middle of the quadrants, okay, like this, because basically you know cast, C-A-S-T, cast. C for cos, A for all, S for sine, T for tan. But here sine is a positive, because no sign is here means plus. So I talk about positive sign, and here all positive, here sign positive. So it means first and the second quadrant. So I'm going to erase this back. It means the lines will come here and here. Okay, this is, I think, easy. Let's talk about for a while. Let's take alpha angle like as a principal angle, and sine will go on the other side. And make sure, okay, what is degree or radian? Keep your eye on that degree. So a degree is a degree. Okay, we have to use it. Okay, and I'm going to type in calculator. So sine inverse 5 upon 6. I am getting the basic. This is called a principal angle, 56.4 degree. This I will make line, blue line and x-axis. Blue line and x-axis. Okay, so I will make 56.4 here, 56.4 here. And what is rule of measurement? Start from positive x-axis. So first answer is this, second answer is this. So I'm going to write first answer. I'm getting, bring back this theta. So I got a theta equal to 56.4 is the first answer. And what is full is 180. 180 subtract. So 180 minus 56.4. So first answer I'm getting is this. Second I'm getting is 123.6 degree. So finally I got two answers from here. So let's talk about this thing. For your knowledge, there's a very important thing I want to discuss with you. Okay, have a look here. So very important thing. I will make it here. So this cross is very important to know. Okay, both crosses very important. For your knowledge, along x-axis, cos 1. So cos 0 is 1, cos 180 is minus 1. And what about up and down? Cos 90 is 0 and cos 270 is 0 as well. But sine is total opposite. It means sine 0 is 0 and sine 180 is 0. And up sine 90 is 1 and sine 270 is minus 1. This you have to memorize. You know what happens? Sometime when you type in calculator minus 1, if you will type this in calculator, for example, you type sine inverse of minus 1, it will give you negative 19. Okay, or if you ignore this one, this will give you only 90. So how we can get this answer, although we know that sine 90 is plus 1 and sine 270 is minus 1. It means calculator will flop here. Calculator will not give you answer. Even you type negative 1 or you type plus 1. Negative 1, it give you negative 90 and plus 1 you type will give you plus 90. It means this method will flop here. Your calculator will not give you a proper help. This is the most technical point. It means you have to memorize these two crosses. These two crosses you have to memorize. The way I always memorize for me, along x-axis cos 1, along y-axis sine 1. So it means here 1, here minus 1. And here 1, here minus 1. But what about sine here? 0. What about cos here? 0. I believe you got my point. So directly when we take a sine inverse negative, I got directly 270. So student, we have no other choice. This is only a method to solve it. Otherwise, this is a wrong. I hope so. You got it very well. And the question is completely